Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to install Node.js on Ubuntu. I'm on the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 22.04.1, but this tutorial should also work on other Ubuntu versions. As you guys know, we always provide a written tutorial that goes along with our videos. If you want to pull that up, the link is in the video description below. You can click on it, or you just go to cosec.com and search for install Node.js on Ubuntu. And once you have that opened up, it makes it a little bit easier for you because you can just go ahead and copy and paste the syntax. Currently, we will cover how to install Node.js version 18 LTS on Ubuntu, and we will also cover how to install the latest version of Node.js, which is not LTS, but it is version 19. So I will show you both of those ways. If you want, go ahead and pull up that article so you can follow along. Unfortunately, we can install the latest versions of Node.js on Ubuntu using apt by default. If you just install Node by doing sudo apt install node.js, it will install a very outdated version of Node.js, and you cannot upgrade it without adding the official Node.js repository. So by doing that, we need to also specify the exact version of Node.js we want to install on Ubuntu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js version 18 LTS and Node.js version 19, the latest version of Node.js on Ubuntu. Just be aware, if you install the latest version, which is Node.js version 19, you cannot downgrade back to Node.js version 18 or any other version without using NVM. I will show you how to use NVM in another video that I will link in the description below. But if you're certain that you want to use the LTS version or the latest version of Node.js and you always want to be on the latest version, then it's perfectly fine to follow this video. Now, to install Node.js version 18 LTS, I recommend you to pull up that article that I've mentioned before and just copy and paste the command in there. This is a very long command. I'll leave it quickly on the screen. In case you want to type it off, feel free to pause the video and do so. Now I just hit enter, and you will probably get prompted for a sudo password, and this will update the apt repository and install Node version 18 LTS. As you can see, I already have installed the latest version of Node here, which is 19.2, so it cannot really downgrade by using this command. But if you don't have Node installed yet, you will have the latest LTS version of Node installed now. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is installing Node.js version 19 on Ubuntu. Same thing, copy the command from the written tutorial, paste it in here, and you can see on the URL that it is now set to the 19 upstream. So we will now install the latest version of Node.js. And since I already have it installed too, this will probably just tell us again that it's already in the latest version. And if we now do node-v, we will see that we have the latest version of Node installed. Now with this command, you have always access to the Node.js version 19 upstream. That means if there is a minor change in this Node version and it's still on version 19, and you do a sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, this will also now upgrade your currently installed Node upstream version. Installing Node.js on Ubuntu is really simple if you don't need to change Node.js versions very often. But if you are developing multiple projects that use different Node.js versions, again, we highly recommend using the Node version manager instead, and you can learn how to install that if you follow the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you back in the next one.